First, let me recognize the Burundian Minister for Youth, Sports and Culture, His Excellency, the French Ambassador to Burundi, and in the theme of reconciliation for which Festicab 2016 is built around, let me apologize for only having in total vocabulary of my French 4 words. I promise by the time I leave this country, Your Excellency the Ambassador, I will have 2 more words to make a total of 8 in celebration of the 8th anniversary, the 8th Festicab Festival. I must appreciate a lot for being invited here to be the patron. Mr. Ambassador, I liked it when you gave a direct translation of the godmother. Being called godmother of film is very exciting. So when I got the phone call and the email asking me, Njoki, will you be the patron for Festicab? I was so sure there was a mistake. Because how can I be invited to Burundi, French-speaking country, to be patron of a film festival? So I wrote back to him and I said, are you sure? And where did you get my name from? After some conversations, I got very, very excited. Why? Another confession. This is confession number 2. This is my first time in Burundi. I have traveled a lot, but I have not yet been to Burundi. I don't know why. So Festicab, the French embassy, by sponsoring me, and Festicab for inviting me, you've given me a life experience of arriving here in Burundi. I've also experienced, I've always admired on TV when you see women dignitaries arrive at the airport and there's a pretty girl holding flowers to welcome you to the country. It happened to me today. And I keep saying, everybody in Burundi smiles. All the girls are very beautiful as well. Do you want me to say what I think about the men? Very handsome. And I'm single. In one of the things I love about the theme of such great stories to tell, such exotic stories to tell, but at times we, the audiences, prefer to watch material from outside that at times it's not so good. We must make more films that celebrate us as Africans and celebrate and share with other people. I'm looking at reconciliation also being film providing us opportunity to love who we are, celebrate who we are, export it to other countries for money. That way, we make film a business for an economic business. We in Africa, this country Burundi, other countries in East Africa, countries all over Africa, we have over 50% of the population being youth under the age of 28, under the age of 30. There's a lot of unemployment. Film can offer a lot of employment for this youth. So as we celebrate the diversity of film, as we watch the films in this festival from the international films, as we share ideas, share competencies and skills in the workshops, in the presentations, in the films we watch, let's grow film as a rich economic contributor, a source of employment, and most important, celebrating our culture, our colors, our song and dance that others are eager to buy and even copy. When I look at again, on looking at reconciliation, festival was also sponsored by the French. The French contribution to the film and arts in Africa cannot be understated. You do a great job, and I think we all owe them a clap. What do I challenge all of us to do, me included? This is all, the festival is all to do with diversity. The fact that I can't speak French and I'm in a French-speaking country is diversity in itself. The fact that we have international films we're going to watch, is that? Yes. For this Festicab, and we, I think also us in Kenya, are a little bit jealous of Festicab. Don't tell them I told you that. And let's brew, let's be the port of Africa where we brew fantastic films, when we enjoy seeing our lives on the screen, where we make best cinema, and may the French continue to sponsor us and all the other sponsors who have sponsored Festicab. Enjoy the festival, and thank you so much for being here. I'm very excited.
Yeah.